Hi guys! Welcome to another K1 Visa Updates. In this video, I will share to you the next steps that you need to do after getting approval from the USCIS. But before that, I would like to share to you a summary of the left cases from the USCIS. So in September 2021, there are still 255 left cases. October, they have 535. November, they have 1,606. And December, they still have 3,024 untouched or left cases. So to those who haven't heard anything yet from the USCIS, just be patient, your time will come, and you can still watch this video so you will know the next steps once you get approval from the USCIS. Once you get approval, the petitioner will receive a paper or a hard copy of the Notice of Action 2 on his or her address. It indicates that the petition has been approved and it will be needed for changing the status in the US, so you have to keep a copy of that. And then USCIS will forward the approved petition to the National Visa Center or NVC. NVC will review the case or check the case and then enter the data into their system. They will create a case number to each petition. It can take up to 90 days before you can get your case number. Once you got your case number, you can check the status of your visa application at sayak.state.gov. I will put the link in the description box. And then the different case status that you will see are at NVC, meaning your case is still sitting at their office. In transit, that means your case is on the way to the beneficiary's local embassy. And case ready, that means the case has been received and it will be soon ready for the interview. By then, you can start paying your visa fee, and do not forget to bring a printed copy of your MRV slip as well as your valid passport. Make sure that the information are correct because the visa fee is not transferable and non-refundable. Once the payment has been validated, then you can now schedule your visa interview appointment as well as your medical exam appointment. So here are the list of requirements for your interview. You need to have passport that must be valid for at least 6 months, and 2x2 colored visa photos, the DS-160 or non-immigrant visa electronic application. Just print the confirmation page with barcode information. So if you have your K2 visa applicant, you have to do separate DS-160 for him or for her. Do not forget to bring the copy of your appointment interview confirmation as well as the MRV slip or the visa fee payment. So if your K2 is a minor, just like mine, she was 6-year-old at the time, she doesn't need to be in the interview appointment, but you need to bring all the documents, all her documents. Another requirement is the medical examination results from SLEC or the St. Luke's. You also need the NBI clearance and police clearance from other countries where the applicants have stayed for 6 months or more. But if you did not stay in another country, then you do not need to provide police clearance. You also need a birth certificate issued by the PSA, the CENOMAR or Certificate of No Marriage, the proof of termination of marriage if applicable. If you are divorced, just need to provide the annulment decree, death certificate, or foreign divorce decree. And of course, the proof of relationship. It might be the chats, the call logs, the photos together, military records if applicable. For applicants or beneficiary who served in the military or police should provide certified copy of their service records. And also the Form I-134 or the Affidavit of Support. So here are the financial documents that you need from the petitioner. The tax return transcript from the IRS, the Form 1040, W-2 or 1099, whichever is applicable, and proof of bank account. The 3-year most recent tax documents are needed. Scanned documents are fine. If you have a joint or co-sponsor, they have to provide the same list of financial documents plus proof of citizenship or legal permanent status. The applicants must provide enough evidence that they will not become public charge in the United States. And just bring a duplicate copy of your K1 visa packet. It is not necessary, but it is better to have another copy of it in case some documents are missing and the consular officer may ask you for it. You also need to bring the evidence of your approved I-129F petition or the NOAA too. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so you will be notified on my next visa update.